What's going on, y'all? We back, ACS, man. We about to do a major shop overhaul. So we got the racks right here. Come on, follow me. The racks. This is the part I gotta do. This is the car for the lawnmower. We got paint for the floor, clean the X for all the oil spills, brand new pressure washer and surface cleaner. We about to clean all the concrete inside of the shop, coat the floor, put a seal on it, man, get all the mechanical stuff out. That's how I'm going to the new shop. Got double the rack storage now, so I bought wheels for it and everything. They'll be here tomorrow, but like I said, we can push everything out. Clean the floor, coat the floor, and seal the floor. Give it a couple days, so we start putting everything back in, move equipment and everything, but we got to get busy, man. What's going on, y'all? I ain't been vlogging this process, but man, I think we on day like 3. We came up with, man, because I need to get my other shop emptied out. Help my nephew, man. We just took the lift post out, and I took the air compressor out. But get all this cleaned out, blew out. Shoot, everything naturally draining down that way because the slab was crooked. So and we end up building everything around off this. So yeah, kind of suck, but got its quirks. Come on, music on, clean and spray and whatever. Y'all post it.
Corners in the paddock, gave my piece. Push a P. Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot across the spot. J for peace. Drop the dot and now we plant. Inside the piece. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push a P. Push a P. On capital P, I write the president. Count president. Push a Portuguese on her knees. Mopping down the P. She let me squeeze if she leave, cause she keep the P. Private suite, privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm pushing P. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P. Yeah. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P.
Yeah. Blow all that and then do a second coat. Man, I got a lot of bugs in here. A lot of bugs. Ants. But yeah, you got some spots, man. I was trying to show my wife, like, look, we can have these spots. But for the most part, got pretty good coverage. Definitely, when you're using these garage kits, use double. Cause if I would have bought what they recommend, I wouldn't have had enough to do what I did. Like, one can supposed to got this whole area with one coat. And yeah, this 1.5 cans and this the coverage. See, some of it does, some of it ain't. Using real expensive brushes and stuff. I mean, rollers, that roller, $15. I ain't cheating out on that. Just telling y'all the real. But we rolled this way. Now I'm finna come back and roll this way. I'm finna hit the edges first, and then come back with the big roller. It's just me, so I ain't get up in here because it's a lot of like crud, and this is from the PVC. Some of this stuff is removable, but this from the PVC glue when they was doing all these connections. They was wasted, didn't clean it up enough. So I said I kind of want to clean some of that up, and it was wet right there a little bit, so I want to clean some of it up. But I'm just gonna have it to where it's decent enough to work in over here. I'm gonna put a drop cloth or a drop piece of plastic that way I can separate the dust from the clean. And all this stuff I don't use it, like I'm just tired of having access of stuff, so start throwing a lot of this stuff away, giving it away, selling it, raffle, whatever. But yeah, we got to get another coat of paint. Let's blow this hand straw, bugs, and all that that's out of here.
It's like whatever.
to do this. Now I gotta do the other half. But ready to put 2 more coats, seal it down, and mud that came, ran in, clean it all up. Yeah, let's get it done. I was gonna do all this to that other shop. They ain't even mine though. I'd rather do it at home. Shit. Same with the AC. It's coming along though. Alright, what's going on, man? We back with the house cleaning up. Man, I had to make me a pathway. The damn itch. It tipped over. Acid itch. And it stripped my dang concrete. Whole surface dug in. I just wrenched all that out. I ain't do this part. It kept raining. But today is the day I moved out of my other shop, so I had to get at least this section did. But I got everything. Oh, y'all see that door off. Everything from there forward in that corner where the air compressor gonna go back. The air compressor not standing here is gonna go back to my other building, go up. Then it's gonna go over there because I don't want to hear the pumping of the air. So you're gonna put that over there. Yeah. So we good enough to move equipment back in, and so we'll work over here and still clean up. I should have this done. It's Thursday. I should have this done by next Friday. Completely done. Most stuff thrown away. Most stuff organized, cleaned up. That whole rack should be towed down. I'm about to try to sell that panel saw. I don't know how it's gonna go. All them temps is going in the garbage. I just cleaned up. Now I done moved to the computer, so and I done backed up all my files on my iCloud and on my Google Drive. I don't need none of that stuff no more. But yeah, all my mechanical stuff. Gonna cover it up and it's gonna sit till my building go up. So, yeah, man. Be halfway there. Let me move this stuff. I'm gonna run a couple files on the way I still set up, but I'm gonna move all this stuff back here. Then sure, I'll be probably working here tomorrow. I ain't gonna even lie. So yeah, I'll probably stay up tonight so I can set the machine back up, level it out. Rock out from there. Man. Don't mind me, man. I'm just happy to be back home. Alright, y'all. This is a halfway update. Moved a lot more stuff back to the house. Because really, I need to make space for another car so I can be able to work on it. I just got space for storage up there, so man, we're going full-fledged, clean parts pushing. Yeah, so a lot of this stuff still it's all the stuff I ain't using. A lot of this stuff is in this temporary spot like this. It's gonna go in the other shop. All 3 of these sewing machines can go over there. Roll the fabric can go over there. The fab table gonna come over here. So this is gonna get cut off. I think at this pole right here. All the supplies and stuff gonna stay in the non-dusty area. This whole rack right here is full of mechanical stuff. It's gonna go in the other shop. This gonna get blown off. It's dusty already, but I'm trying to have a fresh start. This dusty stuff will go over there. Material go back there, but it's gonna go over here somewhere. So over here is just gonna be this fab table, which I'm used to my other fab table, man. I'm way fast on it because I got 3 lifts on it. But like, this the easy side. This was the hard side. I had to lift, car, a bunch of heavy stuff, motors, transmissions, and everything. This side is easy. This side can be emptied out in 30 minutes. But back to work, man. I thought I'd have it done this Friday. It's Thursday. I mean, it's Wednesday. I definitely won't have it done. But I ain't in no rush. It's good enough to work in for now. And the side I'm on, the work side, is easy to clean up. Easy. Bought a mop, bucket, and everything for it. So I ain't got no worries about keeping that clean. But, oh yeah, I got a slider too, y'all. Just bought me a slider, save me some gas money for Hyundai. But, man, that was my truck, boy. 225 a week. $30 right here. So I'm saving the whole rent check, man. I had to change everything up, man. I'm like, hey, a lot of stuff ain't making sense, man. Let me reassess and then apply. That's what I did. Y'all finna see, man. Y'all thought I was going hard before. I'm finna be going the same amount of hard but organized. It's gonna look like I'm going harder, but everything's gonna be easier because the way I'm setting it up. Yeah, man. Your boy's getting to it, man. I'll cut y'all back on. I'm finna wash up, eat, and I'm coming back out here. Because I gotta get to it. Yes, I'm out.